Alright, Devin up here and I'm back, and today I got the iPad Pro 2021. We got the Magic Keyboard to go with it. And of course, you know how to pick up the Apple Pencil. So we're gonna box all these stuff, use it, and then we're gonna talk about it, specs, everything, see what it can do, whatever, y'all. I missed y'all. How y'all doing? Y'all the best. Yes. Clap it up for yourselves. Y'all the best, man. I missed y'all. Alright, let's get started. Throw them threes up for your boy. I got goals today. You got goals today. Let's get it done together. Hey. iPad 2021. Let's get it started. Alright, so this is the iPad Pro 11-inch 3rd generation with Wi-Fi, 128 gigabytes. Alright, so here it is. Wow. This looks really nice. Alright, so when you first take it out, of course you got the iPad. Next you got the charger for it, which is a USB Type-C port for both sides, so you know it comes with that nice fast charging. Next you got the outlet for it. It's a USB Type-C outlet. Then lastly, you got the quick guide and terms and conditions. Alright, so here's the iPad itself. So we're gonna unwrap this and turn this thing on. And look at that black and beautiful screen. Really nice. Alright, so here's how this is when it's facing you. On the bottom, you got the USB Type-C ports, and you got the 2 speakers on the bottom. And on top, respectively, you got additional 2 speakers. So you have speakers on each additional side for that surround sound. On the right side, you got the volume buttons. On top, of course, you got the power button. Alright, so next let's get into the Magic Keyboard. As you guys know, the Magic Keyboard is actually used with the iPad Pro, and with this you can actually add, you know, some additional features to it, you know, such as hanging it on here, making it a case, and also making it a keyboard, also with a touch sensor keyboard. So that's really cool. Let's unbox it and let's look at it. You know, currently the price for it is $300 and it's compatible with the iPad Pro 11-inch 1st and 2nd generation. We have the 3rd generation, with it being the same size, 11 inches. It's compatible for it. It's good. You don't have nothing to worry about. All right, so let's unbox this. All right, so here's the case. So when you first open it up, and then the first thing you notice, hopefully the camera picks it up, there's actually an Apple logo right here. So that's pretty cool. The material is really nice. It's not plastic. It's like it has that luxury rubber feel for that protective feel. So that's really good. I feel safe with this on. So, and it's pretty thick too. So that's another good thing. Next on the inside, what is this? So this is just a simple guide on how to use it. All right, so here it is right here. So you got the Magic Keyboard itself. You got the touchpad, and you know you got the, you know, keyboard itself right here. And like I said, it's really nice. It's really thick, nice structure, well put together. It's nothing flimsy. They really put a lot of money into it, so it is going to be worth it. That $300. You're not just paying $300 for nothing. It seems like you're gonna get some great quality out of this. So this is money well spent on this. Also, you have the magnets for it right here, so to secure that lock attachment. And also you got the space right here for the camera, so that's a nice feel. All right, so now let's unbox the Apple Pencil and let's see how it is. It's not just meant for artists, you know, people who like to draw. It can be meant for casual use also. You can actually use this to, you know, select things or use these, or, you know, accessibility reasons also. So, you know, this can be used for that also. All right, so when you first open it up, you got the pencil itself. Again, that nice luxury feel. You do have a decent to nice point on it. You know, it feels like an actual pencil. It don't feel heavy. It feels nice in the hand. Let's see, what does this come with? A guide on how to use the pencil, what it can be used with, and terms and conditions itself. Again, no stickers, but it's all good, man. All right, so here's how it looks like in its final form, freezer form. No, I'm playing. All right, chill, y'all. All right, so here's how it looks in its final form. I think it looks really nice. You have a little bit of space at the bottom. You know, it looks like it's floating, so that's pretty cool. See, it has that floating feature, but if you look at it, it looks like it's all in one. I think it's really nice, and you actually see me moving the mouse with it. The thing I really like about this iPad so far, you can just really just tell how fast it is, how nice it looks. Look how fast it comes up. Oh my gosh, look at that speed. Crap, you guys see that? It's just really fast. Like, look how fast everything is just coming up. You know, that speed is just ridiculous. The speed is just ridiculous, guys. You guys really gonna like this. That M1 chip that's built into this, it don't play. It's really good. Okay, so let's go into the specs. So this chip has, so we already know about the M1. So the M1 has 8-core CPU with 4 performances and 4 efficiency cores. So with that, there are 4 cores that help out with the performance separately. So you see the speed and how nice it is and how everything just loads up really fast, and you know, you have all your widgets and everything just constantly moving and stuff like that. That's really nice. You see why this is going on. So that's for the 8 cores. So the other 4 cores that are the efficient cores, those help out with the progress. That helps out with pushing out the data. That helps out preventing the data freezing. You know, that helps prevent things freezing, lagging, issues, crashing. It helps with all that. So again, if you want something that's gonna be really nice to play games on it, to just go crazy on it, you know, download things and just, you know, turn it into a source of a computer, this by far will be the best bet for you. You can actually play games on here, you know, or turn it into a whole computer for school, college kids, man, you know, teenagers, man. Like, they're really transforming these tablets into actual whole computers to compete again with these iMacs right here. And guys, like I said, the same processor that's into the iMac, the same processor that's in these iMacs is in this iPad. They're trying to really transform these into computers. They're trying to build the competition up for it. They're trying to make it more marketable. And I'm telling you guys, like, you guys gonna like this. If you guys want a tablet or if you guys want a PC, you guys will not be disappointed with both. Now let's get into the camera. So with the camera, it comes with ultra wide, 12 megapixels, 1.8 aperture. So if that, it's the same pretty much as your phone. So, all right, so guys, here's the camera right here. Like, look at the camera. It looks really nice, right? Really beautiful. Look at that. You can see the words on it, the ultimate cinematic experience, that 4K on top. You can see the actual colors in it. Look at that. You can catch the colors right here. You can catch the ring light. It has the best camera. Like, you know, this is like the ultimate tablet right here. And yes, you could get last year's model that has the same thing. It has the same processor, you know, but this is more updated. It's more upgraded. It has more things attached to it, you know. If you want to upgrade, I would say, listen, if you want to go all in and get this. You guys will not be disappointed. The camera's nice. The video's nice. It's nice. Like, look how fast it refreshes. Look, I'm trying to get out of balance. Look, I'm gonna get out of balance. Look how fast that thing refresh. Look. out of balance. Look how fast it refresh. Look how fast it's capturing it. It's not blurring, it's not messing up. You know, I'm shaking it. It's still in place. You still see it really clear. So the camera work is really nice. You guys would love this, man. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really fanboying out over this tablet because I was low key against tablets, but man, the tablet's really nice. So when it comes to video recording, it has 4K video, as we already know. It has 1080p recording, and also if you want to go old school, you got 720 still. When it comes to video recording, it has audio zoom. It has that bright flash, time lapse, extended range, cinematic videos, which is freaking nice. And yes, look at the video quality. This video quality is nice. Like, this is actually in 1080 right now. I didn't even turn it to 4K. This is the best camera for the tablet at this point in time. It can rival up to your iPhone 12. It can rival the iPhone 12, guys. Like, come on now. I don't know what else you want me to say. Like, this is crazy. We already know about the speakers. It has 4 audio speakers, microphones for calls, video, audio recording, and it has cellular. So you don't make phone calls with this, you could, you know, it's up to you. With that FaceTime, you can do that too. It has Face ID, LiDAR, accelerometer. It has Face ID and it has LiDAR mode. So if you guys want to use the Face ID to unlock it, you can do that. So another cool thing is that you actually pair your PS5 controller to it. That's what we're gonna do right now. All right, so with the PS5 controller, you can actually play Fortnite too. So you got somebody. All right, bet. All right, guys. So what do you guys think about the new iPad? What do you guys think about everything I can do? I really like it. Like, this is like my favorite iPad. Now I had a previous generation iPad, the 2018 model. And it was alright, but it was a little slow. This is probably the fastest, best iPad I ever had. Now, I didn't have last year's model. I'm sure there's a lot of similarities between these two, but I jumped 2 years. I pretty much upgraded into getting this model, and this is my first time experiencing the M1. And like I said, I like it. You guys seen the speed. You guys seen how great it is. You know what I'm saying? It's amazing. I can play, you know what I'm saying, my PlayStation controller on it smoothly, graciously, no lags, no crashes, no issues. So yeah, I like it. It's awesome, you know. My favorite iPad. Like I said, the camera's nice, everything's nice, the battery's nice, the screen's nice, screen's flawless. You guys see the screen, nice and glossy. You guys seen the smooth transitions. I have nothing bad to say about this. All right, guys. So what do you guys think? This is Devin Up. I'm out. I gotta go today. You gotta go today. It don't stop on this channel, and it don't stop in real life too. If you guys got goals, get it done. Think about it. Hold on to it. We gonna get it done together. And I'm out. Thanks for watching. Peace.